Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you around this brand new Volkswagen Polo R-Line finished in the stunning vibrant violet paintwork, housing your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient auto transmission, making it an ideal new city upgrade or as a first car. It does come jam-packed with plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, upgraded 17-inch Bergamo alloys, and even your power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the contrasting cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for even further convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and a central touch display screen for endless entertainment. The modernised edge is enhanced with your art-embroidered front seats, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio and even your navigation, with the added bonus of your adaptive cruise to keep you a safe distance. And moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay connected on the go. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information and the activation of your front and rear sensors for those tricky manoeuvres. It is also ideal for those who love to explore, as again you do have your on-screen navigation alongside your dual climate controls, with your main touch buttons below, with your 2 front heated seats for the colder winter months, followed by your various power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.